today is the day. Today I am walking 3 miles for time. Aren't I, boo-boo? We're gonna walk 3 miles for time. 3 miles for time. Before I walk my 3 miles for time, I do have some things to take care of. I need to weigh. It is weigh-in Wednesday after all, and I will be sharing all of my weigh-in details later in today's video. I also need to take care of all of my morning routine things, and I need to get ready, and it's gonna be a good day. Gonna work out first, walk the pups, then 3 miles for time. So now I just need to get ready. And I need to take my vitamins. I am so grateful for Ritual for sponsoring today's video and for creating this awesome vitamin. I have the worst gag reflex. I have never been able to just take a vitamin with plain water. It makes me gag. Even just talking about it now is making me start to feel like those feelings that I feel after I take a vitamin. So I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna move forward. Ritual is a subscription-based supplement. It's only about $1 a day, and the vitamins are vegan-friendly, non-GMO, project verified, gluten-free, and they're designed to fill nutrition gaps of a balanced diet. Ritual believes that we deserve to know what we are putting into our body, and that's why every ingredient that goes into a Ritual vitamin is available, even the supplier. Their capsules feature a delay release, which is designed to be gentle on an empty stomach. They say their capsule wasn't designed to be beautiful, that it just happened. And I mean, it's a pretty cool looking vitamin, but the functionality is just pretty amazing to me. They wanted the experience of vitamin taking to be better. And my personal experience is that they succeeded. I definitely see them as a much better alternative to the gummy vitamins I was taking to avoid that gag reflex. Order today using the link below and or use code 10April for 10% off of your first 3 months. I also love that I'm able to take my Ritual vitamins and then get right into my workout. As I shared last week, I have been waking up at 4:30 or trying to get up by 4:30 in the morning, and it has been so beneficial. Getting in front of my day instead of like loading the front part of my day, especially in the morning, like getting up a little bit before my husband, it just lets me get a jump. And by the time it's time to like start working and stuff, already having most of my workout stuff done is extraordinarily helpful. So I don't go to yoga every single morning. I don't work out every single morning. Sometimes I do both, and sometimes I do one or the other. I have been trying to walk the babies before it gets too warm in the morning, and then I walk them again in the evening. So I feel like they like it a little bit better having walks throughout the day as opposed to having it all at one time. However, they still get really long walks in the evening, even if I've walked them in the morning, especially Julio, because he just knows how to give me those eyes, and it just melts my heart. He loves walks so much. Anyway, in today's video, or in today's workout, I did just a kettlebell workout. I haven't done a kettlebell workout in like this in a long time, and so I wanted to do kettlebell, but I didn't want to completely exhaust myself because I'm doing 3 miles for time today, and then I'm going to try and do a 1 mile for time in a couple days, and I don't want to push myself too hard with kettlebell. So I just made up this little workout. I did kettlebell swings, kettlebell squats, just like kettlebell would have been. Then instead of continuing on the kettlebell, I did add walking lunges, which is again like kettlebell, but it's not kettlebell. Then I did 2 core movements, and then I just did that set a few times, and that was my quick and dirty workout for the day. As I've edited all of this footage, I noticed that like I said I was gonna go walk my miles for time in the morning. I ended up not going until later in the day. So I walked the pups, and then I just had work stuff I needed to do, had lunch with my husband, and then went for my 3 mile walk later in the afternoon. So there's that.
That workout felt really good. I'm like just sitting here at the dining room table, pouring. It's like I'm sweating more now than I was in the workout. But I'm about to take these little monsters. I'm about to take the little monsters on a walk. So I was kind of hoping it would sprinkle a little bit because it is so hot, but I don't think it's gonna sprinkle at all. I like this track. It's kind of set into a hill. It's nice. It's really nice. So it's a 1/4 mile track, and I just need to get my mile on, you know? Well, 3 miles. 3 miles for a time. Well, I did it. Did 3 miles, 3.2 miles. And I'm not sure exactly what time my 3 mile time was, so I know it was like 56-ish. So I'm excited to go home, look at the data, see how fast or how slow I was. I think I ruined my all white tennis shoes. So if you have tips on how to clean those up, let me know in the comments below. Mostly sweat, I feel like, also soaked with water, but I was already wet from like the chest up. Soaked, like dripping. Now just everywhere like that. So thanks to the wind and the rain. This blew in kind of fast, but anyway, let us look at those numbers, shall we? It's a lot of winks, I know. It's a lot of winks, a lot of mascara on my cheek. I'm still drying off from getting soaked and sweaty. Yay! So I'm not as excited as I probably could be about my time. I really wanted to shave 4 minutes off, and I shaved 2 minutes and 39 seconds, which is still good. Like, I don't know why I thought that I could do it. For time was just under 18 minutes. Like, it was like 17:58, I believe. So I don't know why I thought I was gonna be able to sustain like 3 miles at that pace in the heat. It's so hot. It's so hot, and it was so humid. The air was so thick, and yeah. But I am proud. I am proud that I was able to finish it as fast as I was. 16 minutes. 56 minutes, 18 seconds, and I'm hoping that next month is a lot better. I have some plans in place, so we're gonna We're gonna see. Now I'm anxious to do my 1 mile for time. I'm like, am I even gonna improve my 1 mile for time this month, or is it gonna be the same as last month? So we shall see. I'm gonna do that one. It won't be the next video, but I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow or the next day. So very excited for that. And it is still a 2-minute 39-second improvement over the last mile for time. Anyway, moving on, let's move on to the weigh-in Wednesday portion. Today I weighed in at 294.3 pounds, which is a loss of 1.4 pounds. I'm not discouraged, but I am really tracking every single thing that goes into my body, and I am working out a lot. I'm very tired. Yeah. So I just got to give it time. Like, it's only been a few weeks. I need to just give it a little bit of time. I feel like my body's always been like, especially when I'm pushing harder, it's like I don't drop a lot all of the time. I drop in like, it's like I wake up one day after like a really nice, good rest, and like I'll drop down quite a bit. So I'm hoping that maybe that happens. I think that that's just setting myself up for failure in one way though, because every week I'm like, is this gonna be the week? Am I gonna get on the scale and be like 3 pounds down? And it's not happening, and that's discouraging. But I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Maybe get a little tighter, maybe next month. And this month I'm not changing anything in the month. Next month I might eat a little bit fewer calories per day and see, or even add in a different form of cardio, because while I am increasing my steps, I have to intentionally push myself to get my heart rate up like really hard. So I'm thinking like it might be better to do like a row machine, or like something that gets me there a little faster, and then I can sustain it. So we'll see what I do cardio wise. And speaking of steps and walking and all of that stuff, I'm pretty proud of myself. I averaged 14,444 steps this week, 5.59 miles per day on average, and then intentionally this week I walked 4.1 miles. So a lot more, which I haven't said anything. I answered comments about this last week. So I got the vaccine last month, and it was really hard on me. Like, my body did not respond very well to the first round. I was out for like a week. So a lot of my stats, I had upped it from June quite a bit, like my workouts, but still I was out for a week when I did that. So it was not a fun time. And then this month I got the second shot, and that first week of August, it definitely wasn't as productive as I would have hoped, because I was, you know, I don't want to say anything negative about it, but I mean, I'm very excited that it is FDA approved. I did get the Pfizer one, so it is FDA approved as of today. That's huge. Anyway, I am feeling good. So I'm feeling strong, I'm feeling good. I added back in morning workouts. I've been getting up really early. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that. If you read my stories, watch my stories, whatever. I've been posting there my wake up time, and that one thing has helped me a lot. So anyway, I'm excited for this week. So let's see, maybe this is the week. Maybe this is the week that like my body's like, release, and I lose a little bit more than I've been losing. So here's to hoping, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. I love you so much. I'm so grateful for all of your encouragement. I've been trying to do shorter videos. Comment down below if you like these shorter videos. If you haven't and you want to follow along on my journey, click that subscribe button and ding the bell. And I will see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.